Project 5 status update, Team 84. For Project 5, this is our Gantt chart and work breakdown. Our group is ahead of schedule. We have already collected our materials and is starting assembly here shortly. And then we'll go into testing and deliverables. So here's our Gantt chart for Project 5. On the left are all the things we have to get our tasks done, and it tells exactly who is doing what. Most things are done as a team together. On the right, you can tell it's color-coded of who's doing what. So for example, assembly will be mostly Ben and Hannah because they are both on campus. Everything else is basically team collaborative until we get down to our delivering of the project, and we have broken the report and the presentation down into two separate groups. So Hannah and Garrett are responsible for the report, while I am, and the rest of the team is involved of the video presentation. Here's our materials list. So on the left, we have the list of everything we need. It's broken down of pricing, and the total came up to $74.87. We fortunately found a kit that has everything involved in it that we have already purchased, which was $36.99, which did not include the dust sensor, which we've also bought, and our overall total for this project was $55.49.
So currently we are building our prototype. It'll be an Arduino base it'll have 3 LED indicators as planned. It's gonna have a infrared light sensor that we bought, and you can see a picture of it below the big blue square. And for our prototype, we will not be building the helmet or the mask for it because we are planning on having our project as an aftermarket product, so you can add it to your current helmet and mask.
So far in assembling the prototype, we've loaded code onto the Arduino computer, which we found a source from the EPA with that code for the particle sensor. Before that, we determined the materials needed and assembled the materials by buying them on Amazon. And we are ahead of schedule currently. We predict that it won't take us as long as we initially thought to build this prototype. So our Project 5 might be done before the deadline.
And this is a rough outline of our testing plans. Basically what we did was we took the specifications that we developed from Project 4. We came up with a procedure to determine if we could meet those criteria or not based on our prototype. And of course we have what data we're collecting. We did kind of leave them a little bit vague because we don't know what issues we might run into with building the project. We don't know if it'll go exactly according to plan. We do plan to refine these when we actually get into testing later on. And with that being said, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at these emails.